My name is Mrs. Victoria Tufo-Otin. I work for African Aurora Business Network as the Regional Advisory Manager. African Aurora Business Network, AABN for short, is an enterprise development organization that our main focus is to provide business executive training and advisory services. A lot of businesses in Ghana are really challenged. A lot of businesses in Ghana are suffering, all because they do not have the advisory services that they need. We don't really pay much attention when it comes to business advisory services. African Aurora Business is there. Today, we have a simplified and masterclass workbook that is made so simple for every entrepreneur who wants to start a business. So welcome to African Aurora Business Network. And I know with us, your business has no reason to fail. Thank you very much.